And just like that, we are back with another video. Hi guys, Ashley Nicole here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, which some of you are, then welcome to my YouTube channel. So you've seen the title, so you know what today's video is. I don't know why I'm so hyped. So I had some people request that I do a Q&A, and I feel like, I mean, if that's what y'all want, I'll do it. So I made a post on my Instagram asking everyone to ask me questions. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you missed out on the chance to participate in this Q&A. And I know it's sad, so make sure you go over to my Instagram and hit that follow button so you don't miss out any of the other polls or chances to participate in the Q&As, because I'm gonna answer your questions. I just want to talk to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I love you guys so much. Join the family. We can never have too many. Let's go ahead and get into this Q&A. So as I said earlier, I went and asked you guys over on Instagram to ask me a couple of questions. What did you want to know? What's the 411? And you guys did not disappoint. I got a decent amount of questions, so we're gonna go ahead and answer some of them right now. What is your favorite brand of leggings? So I feel like that's a trick question because I do a lot of activewear hauls on this channel and I love leggings. So I don't know about a favorite brand. I don't know if I could name a favorite brand. Okay, so at the moment, I'll do my favorite brand of leggings at the moment will probably be Gymshark, because Gymshark is killing the game right now with all their new releases. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have so many new videos full of Gymshark new releases, so go check those out. I'll pop up little cards above so you don't miss out on all the goods. Do you track your macros? No. When I first started my fitness journey, I was still learning how to eat to fuel my body and to get the best results for my goals. So I did track at the beginning, but as of now, I more so intuitively eat, and I feel like maybe in November I'm gonna start tracking again because I want to start bulking in January and I kind of want to cut just a little bit more. So I feel like I need to be a little bit more precise with my eating, so I will track then. But tracking is not necessary for your goals, you guys. You don't have to track, just eat healthy, okay, and you should be fine. But tracking would make it a little bit easier because you know how your body responds to what you're eating, because you are paying attention more to what you're eating when you track. So it is a good method to use, but it's not the only method, and you don't have to track to reach your goals, okay? Okay, why did you cut your hair off? So, I don't know if I've ever really talked about why I cut my hair off. I think I did in one of my older videos, but I'll just answer it again. So, I cut my hair off because my hair, if you haven't seen it, it was blonde. I had it colored like this auburn burnt orange color, and then it like grew out and I didn't get it redone. So, it turned blonde, and then I just left it blonde for months and didn't get anything done with it, and it was just like what it looked like. But I just personally wanted like newer curls, fresher curls that hadn't been processed. So, I just wanted healthier curls in general, so that's why I cut my hair. And yeah, okay, we're still bald head to this day. Someone said, do you only care about butt? I'm not sure the context of that question. I'm assuming you mean like on my Instagram, like butt workouts. I don't only care about working out my glutes or my butt. I just so happen to be on a program where I work legs 3 times a week. I usually kind of piggyback off of the workout that I'm doing for that day. So if I'm doing a glute workout that day, then I'll post a glute workout, you know, something similar to what I did. But no, I do not only care about butt. What camera do you use to film your videos? So the camera that I use is I'm trying to look at it right now, hold on. The camera that I use is a Canon M50. It's like a basic vlogger camera, I think. This person said, I think you over edit your pics, do you? And then they put like 2 heart emojis. So I don't over edit my pics to my knowledge. If you want a video on how I edit my pictures on Instagram, let me know. I literally don't do anything. I enhance like the background, I may change the lighting, you know, make it brighter, darker, contrast, like those kind of things. But as far as my body goes, I don't do anything to my body. So if I have rolls in a photo, I kept the rolls in the photo. I don't like edit them out or anything. What editing software do you use? So when I first started, I was using iMovie, and then I switched to Final Cut Pro. Someone asked me, how long does it take you to edit a video? So some videos differ. My clothing hauls may take me 2 days at the most. Sometimes it could be 1 day if I'm like really stressed and I'm like pumping through the video. But normally if it's like a talking video, not that long at all, a day max. Dunkin' or Starbucks, and I feel like that's a traitor, because who doesn't know that I love Starbucks? Like, is that even a question? Starbucks for life? I should get a tattoo that says like Starbucks for life on my wrist. What do you think? How much do you spend on haul videos? You know, a decent amount. Do you have any siblings? So I do have siblings. I am the oldest child, and then I have a younger sister who's about to be 18 in May. Then I have a younger brother. He's about to be 17 in June, and then I have a younger brother who is 11 at the moment and will be 12 in April. I don't know why my instinct is to laugh when I read some of the questions, but someone said, do guys hit on you a lot? You are really pretty, and they put like the heart eye emoji. So thank you so much for calling me beautiful or pretty. Gave myself an extra compliment. And I mean, I feel like it's average amount. I feel like in the gym I get a lot of attention just because it's a gym and guys are like obsessed, like they can't help it, you know, like it doesn't even matter the age. There's old men and there's young men, they're just staring at you like gawking, you know? I feel like it's average. Whatever other girls get, I feel like I probably get the same amount of attention, and you know, that's that on that. We're gonna be modest. So like, they don't hit on me all the time, but I do get hit on, is what I'll say. How long have you been on your fitness journey? So I started my fitness journey in, oh my god, you guys, I did a whole video on it, but I'm pretty sure it was I'm pretty sure I started my fitness journey in late 2017, like the summer of 2017 is when I started my fitness journey, I'm pretty sure. So I've been on my fitness journey, if that's the case, for 3 years and some change at this point. Fave country songs, I mean, if you want to know, it's probably like old songs. You're gonna be like, Ashley, what in the world? You never loved me like I loved you. I feel like my dance moves to country like don't go. Okay, that's it for the country. Next question. A lot of the questions that I'm getting at the end are a lot of like confidence questions, so I'm gonna try to like group them all into one question. So I'm getting confidence tips. I want to wear a sports bra to the gym. How do I start? You look so confident. Were you always this confident? And how do I get over people staring at me in the gym? So we're just gonna talk about confidence. And if you want a whole video on confidence or confidence in the gym, give this video a thumbs up so I'll know what you want to see, and I'll definitely get that video out to you, because confidence in the gym is something that a lot of people struggle with. And I know that sometimes even I have to tell myself like, you're fine, ignore them, who cares, or no one's even looking at you, get over it. Like, there are just times when you go to the gym, even if you're an experienced gym goer, that you still have to remind yourself like, it's okay if they stare, like ignore them, or no one's even looking at you, you're just being dramatic. Like, there are times. But confidence tips in general for the gym is to go in and to know what you want to do when you get in the gym. When you have a plan, when you get in the gym, it's so much easier for you to execute, which also if you feel like people are looking at you, or you just feel a little extra self-conscious. So you always can take the equipment that you need for your workout into a smaller area and work out out of the way or out of sight, so that people aren't easily able to like see you or stare at you, and it makes you a little bit more comfortable. So I was not always this confident in the gym. It took me a little bit of time to build up confidence. When I first started going to a new gym, and I feel like whenever you go to a new gym, you're gonna not feel comfortable at first because you don't know the people, you don't know the environment, you don't know where everything is yet, and so you're still adjusting, and you feel a little bit more like, I don't know, like naked per se. Once you get used to it, you're perfectly fine. I know that when I first went to the gym that I've been going to for almost a year and some change now, I was like, oh my god, everyone's staring at me, I just feel it. And there was literally like 10 people in the gym, they were not looking at me. But no, I did not always have that much confidence. But what I've learned to do, what works for me, is that if I'm nervous about something, I make myself do it. So if I'm nervous about filming, I'll make myself film, or have to put myself in situations where people are looking at me, put my camera down, and I'm like, you're fine, get over it. I like talk myself and coach myself through it. When I first started filming myself, it was so hard. Like, I literally thought everybody was staring at me, and they probably were. I mean, I'm literally walking and putting my camera down on the floor, and they're probably like, who does she think she is to record herself? But look, you do what works for you in your journey. And for me, I know that I have an Instagram, people like to see my workouts, so I'm gonna go put my camera down. If they're staring at me, they're gonna stare regardless. If they want to stare, they're gonna stare whether you're recording, whether you're not recording. So just do what you want to do. But I expose myself to what makes me scared so that I can get over it or become accustomed to the fact that either no one cares, or if they do care, I don't care, and that I should just do whatever I want to do in the first place. Now, again, the method that I just talked about with just throwing yourself out there is the same method that I use to wear a sports bra to the gym, because someone asked me that question, like, how do I get comfortable wearing a sports bra in the gym? Do you have any tips? I literally just wore the sports bra and took off my jacket and made myself wear the sports bra. I had to get over it. Like, that's what I wanted to wear that day. I'm gonna have to get accustomed to people if they don't like it looking, or me just getting out of my head and saying, if they are looking, who cares? That we should only care what we think. If we're not hurting anyone else, if we're not infringing on their rights, if we're not in their way or disturbing them, we should be fine. You wearing a sports bra, no matter what your shape, size is, whatever the case, you should be able to wear whatever you want to wear to the gym. If it bothers someone else that bad, that's their problem. It's not your problem. So if they're a little bothered by you having on a sports bra, the issue is theirs. It is not yours. So you don't take on that responsibility to feel bad about their emotions. Like, you're literally not doing anything to them but wearing clothes. If you want to wear the sports bra, wear the sports bra. If you're not comfortable yet, take yourself out of your comfort zone. Step out of it. So maybe if you just wear the sports bra and put a jacket around your waist first, and you just gradually take the jacket off as you move through the gym. And then the next time you come, have a jacket on when you warm up, take it off when you start lifting weights or whatever your other workout program is, and then Next time you come, don't have the jacket on at all. You can ease yourself into it. I did not. I just went in the gym, took my jacket off, and did the workout in the sports bra, and now I can't live without. I like feel like it changed my whole like workout. Like I don't know. I just feel so like whenever I have a sports bra on only, I'm just like, yeah, I'm a boss. You're gonna feel so much better, and you're gonna be in your head like, why did I care in the first place? Like, why did I care? You're welcome. Okay, you guys, so at this point I've been sitting here for almost 40 minutes answering your questions, so I didn't get to everyone's question. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on the chance to be a part of the next Q&A. Okay, because I love you guys so much. I want us to be locked in like this. Okay, you're my best friends. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the family, become my best friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.